Hey, let's show you what's happening outside right now because we're pretty quiet here statewide. A lot of clouds thickening up, and we'll continue to have cloudy mornings the next several mornings. And I know we didn't get much sun this afternoon either. I want to show you this, which is a good indication of where our storm chances are coming from. This is a dry line. It separates very humid air with the dew points in the 60s and 70s here, which is in the upper end of our humidity scale, to the much drier air behind the dry line with dew points in the 20s and teens. And it's this boundary here that's going to try shifting farther east tomorrow. And sometimes you can get storms developing along and ahead of the dry line. And that's what we're thinking could happen tomorrow if we're able to heat up just enough to break the cap in the atmosphere, which is going to try to prevent storms from developing. So overnight, just a lot of clouds. Tomorrow morning, a lot of clouds as well, some patchy fog. There will still be many of us holding on to the clouds midday and into the afternoon, whereas the hill country, I think you're going to get your sunshine to come out tomorrow earlier than it did today. Some of you never saw much sun today. I think you see more of it tomorrow. And that sun should spread through the afternoon to the east. That sunshine, though, helps to destabilize the atmosphere, and in one or two spots, we could see it punch through the lid in the atmosphere and develop a quick thunderstorm that could also very quickly turn strong or severe. You can see that's just the location of one area of potential, but really anywhere we could see the storm firing up, yet most of us won't see any rain at all. And then by late tomorrow evening, between about 9 and 11, storms are done. And then we could do this again on Saturday with more of a focus, though, in the hill country. So our day tomorrow, cloudy in the morning to a partly sunny afternoon, 20% chance, which is a low chance, by the way, of storms to bubble up over where you are in the afternoon and evening. Otherwise, it's a high of 86. Severe weather threat is a 1 out of 5 for almost all of central Texas here tomorrow, with the exception of far western Mason County and Gillespie County. Then the severe weather threat on Saturday starts to focus more on the hill country, but at least a little portion of the western metro counties included in that risk as well. Should we get severe weather, what would be the threats? Mainly large to potentially very large hail, followed by damaging wind and localized flash flooding. Currently not expecting a tornado under this setup, not ruling it out entirely though. So another 20% rain and storm chance on Saturday, those chances down to 10% on Sunday. The other story is going to be the heat. Temperatures bubbling up into the 80s and then 90s, and at the same time, we're going to have very high humidity levels at least through Sunday, with dew points up around 70. And that's going to help to contribute to more shower and storm chances. A tiny chance of that Sunday and Monday. Those chances go up a little bit more as we head later into next week, with 20% rain chances Tuesday and Wednesday and up to 30% by Thursday.
All right, Nick.